Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history here, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites in my case. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But of course, if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill form data, and site settings. So if you'd like to turn on the option, remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. If you're ready, tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is right now empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So of course, starting from the browsing history and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to remove browsing data in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.